I'm Janaya. I'm 25.
Okay. Nice to meet
Janaya,
you.
why'd you end up popping your balloon?
Just not my typical go for, you know.
So what do you typically go for?
Uh, I like my men a little. I'm getting there.
Come on. Let's
My
hear
men
it.
a little bit more taller. Just I would say more on the taller side.
Okay. Like how tall? Like 6'9"?
Maybe.
I get it. Okay.
So how tall are you?
I'm 6'2".
Yeah.
With the boots.
Realistically,
I'm
maybe-
6'4". Like
Yeah.